Imagine your liver as a hardworking filter, constantly detoxifying your body from processed foods, alcohol, pollution, and other toxins. Over time, this vital organ can become overwhelmed, making you feel sluggish, bloated, and fatigued. The good news? You can support your liver naturally by drinking simple, nutrient-packed detox drinks. These drinks help flush out toxins, boost metabolism, and improve digestion, all while keeping you hydrated and refreshed. Let's dive into 6 powerful detox drinks that cleanse your liver naturally. First up is lemon water, one of the easiest and most effective liver detox drinks. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help stimulate liver function and encourage the production of bile, a digestive fluid that helps break down fats and remove toxins. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning on an empty stomach kickstarts digestion and supports liver cleansing. For an extra boost, add a pinch of cayenne pepper or turmeric to enhance detoxification. Next is beetroot juice, a liver-loving powerhouse. Beets contain betalains, which help reduce inflammation and support the liver's natural detoxification processes. They are also rich in nitrates, which improve blood flow and oxygen delivery. Drinking fresh beetroot juice with a squeeze of lemon not only aids detox, but also boosts stamina and energy levels. If the earthy taste is too strong, mix it with carrot or apple juice for a sweeter flavor. Third on the list is turmeric tea, an ancient remedy known for its incredible anti-inflammatory and liver protective properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that enhances liver function and stimulates the production of detoxifying enzymes. To make turmeric tea, mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with warm water, add a squeeze of lemon juice, and a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption. This golden drink helps flush out toxins while reducing oxidative stress on the liver. Another excellent option is green tea, packed with powerful catechins that support liver health. Green tea helps reduce fat accumulation in the liver, lowers inflammation, and boosts metabolism. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily can promote natural detoxification while also providing an energy boost without the jitters of coffee. For extra liver benefits, try matcha green tea, which contains even higher levels of antioxidants. Fifth on the list is dandelion root tea, a lesser-known but highly effective liver cleanser. Dandelion root stimulates bile production, helping the liver break down toxins more efficiently. It also acts as a natural diuretic, flushing out excess water and toxins from the body. Drinking a cup of dandelion tea before bed can aid digestion, reduce bloating, and support liver function overnight. Finally, cucumber and mint-infused water is a simple yet refreshing detox drink. Cucumbers are high in water content and antioxidants, helping to hydrate and flush out toxins. Mint aids digestion and soothes the stomach, making it the perfect cooling drink. Simply slice a cucumber, add fresh mint leaves, and let it infuse in water for a few hours. Drinking this throughout the day keeps your body hydrated while supporting liver detox. Incorporating these 6 natural detox drinks into your routine can do wonders for your liver health. Remember, detoxification isn't about quick fixes. It's about supporting your body consistently with the right nutrients and hydration. Pair these drinks with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and quality sleep, and your liver will function at its best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay healthy, stay refreshed, and give your liver the care it deserves.